Hey guys, today I'm going to show you step by step on how to use Curri driver app. Let's get started. Of course, you want to download first the Curri application and sign up with an account. Now, once you open it, this is the application default page. So from the menu, you can access your active deliveries, current opportunities, routes, delivery history, earnings, notification, and many more. So you want to click on active to receive opportunities, stay active throughout accepted deliveries. Now, when your carrier manager has assigned you a delivery, you will receive a notification indicating delivery priority, location details, and required vehicles. You want to tap into the notification to review, confirm and accept, and update status. Please note that rush deliveries are immediate and direct service. Scheduled deliveries are picked up at the pickup time and delivered immediately and directly. Now you want to proceed to the pickup location. You want to review and follow the delivery notes for this stage of the delivery. You want to also tap the direction to begin navigation and proceed to the pickup location. Now you want to proceed to the drop-off location. So review and follow the delivery notes for this stage of the delivery. Location details are also available. Next, complete the delivery. So you may use your phone icon to connect with the location contact if you are unable to find them on site. You may include any notes about the stop, upload photos that shows where you pick up the items, all items condition, any documentation signed if necessary. And lastly, you want to tap on complete button once the package is received by the customer. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.